Okay, so today for math, we're going to learn how to read a bar graph. You can see there's some information that says, how do you use a bar graph? It says bar graphs. Use bars to compare information. The scale shows how the units used on the bar. Okay, so let's just take a look at a bar graph and see if we can see the bars. Okay, by bars they mean rectangles. And take a look at all the red rectangles. They're known as bars on a bar graph. Now the other part says the scale shows the units used on the bar graph. So the scale is on the left-hand side. Okay, you can see the numbers 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, and 16. Okay, that's what they're counting by. Okay, so if you see the bar that goes up to the 6, okay, that would be measured at 6. Okay, 6 what? Well, that would be the number of black diamond trails. 6 black diamond trails. You can see the information on the left. Okay, 6 is the number of black diamond trails. So, the big Powderhorn, that's a ski resort, that would have 6 black diamond trails. Okay? So let's just look at some questions that go with this bar graph. Okay, so first we have question number 2. Which other resort has 9 black diamond trails? Okay, which other resort? Actually, yep. Okay, so let's go ahead and find which either resort has 9 black diamond trails. So take a look. See if you can find one that shows 9. Okay, let's say we already know that Blackjack has 9. Which other one would have 9 black diamond trails? Take a look, pause, and we'll come back. Okay, so now we're back. We said that the Blackjack has 9. You go up and you go across. Okay, it's between 8. See how it's between 8 and 10? Well, what number is between 8 and 10? Obviously, it's 9, right? So Blackjack has 9. Now the question was, which other one has 9? Well, it would be the bar that's the same height. So it's right here. It's pronounced Cabernet Peaks. Okay, it goes up to the same height. It goes straight across to the line in between 8 and 10, and that would be 9. Okay, so the answer to that question would be Cabernet Peaks. Okay, let's take a look at question number 3. Which resort has the fewest black diamond trails? So now we're looking for the fewest. Okay, now the fewest obviously would be the shortest bar. Okay, so take a look at your bar graph and see if you can find which one would be the fewest. Go ahead and click pause, find it, and then we'll come back. Okay, now that we're back, you should see the one that has the fewest would be the shortest bar, which is right here, Norway Mountain. Okay, if you follow straight across, it only has 5 black diamond trails. If you're wondering what black diamond trails are, they're the very difficult ones. You want to stay off of those until you become an expert skier. Otherwise, it's going to be very dangerous for you. Okay? All right. So, let's go ahead and go to a different bar graph. I'm going to turn the page here. Okay, now these directions say use the bar graph for 8 through 11. So we're going to see if we can answer questions 8 through 11 by looking at this bar graph. Now, what do you notice different about this bar graph? If you said that the bars are going a different direction, you're correct. In the other bar graph, the bars were going from bottom to top. In this one, they're going from left to right. Okay, so the title is Top Running Speeds. And if you look on the left, it's about animals. And you look at the bottom, it says it's being measured in miles per hour. So let's see if we can answer some questions here. Number 8, which animal on the bar graph has the fastest running speed? Okay, go ahead and pause it and see if you can figure that out. Now that you're back, we're looking for the animal on the graph that has the fastest running speed. Okay, so if you're looking for the fastest, that would be the most, so you look for the biggest bar. Okay, and you probably already knew this before even looking at the bar graph, but you can see that right here it's the cheetah. Okay, the cheetah comes all the way out to this line. If you go straight down, it is 70 miles per hour. Now think about that, 70 miles per hour. That's the speed limit on most highways for a car to drive. A cheetah can actually get up to that speed. That's simply amazing, isn't it? Okay, let's see if we can answer another one. Number 9. What is the top running speed of a lion? Okay, so we're going to look for lion and find its top running speed. Okay, so you're looking for lion. You should see, well, go ahead and pause it and we'll come back. Okay, so now if you've looked for lion, you should see the red bar. Find it, and then we need to look for its top running speed. Okay, so it's the red bar, and we go straight down from that, and it says 50, and we're talking about miles per hour. So even great big old lions, they can run 50 miles per hour. That's really fast too. That's keeping up with cars, going just a little bit under the speed limit on a normal road. So that's very fast. Okay, let's look at the next question. Okay, number 10. How fast can a zebra run? How fast can a zebra run? So pause it, and then go ahead and see if you can find how fast a zebra can run. Okay, now we're back. Let's take a look at it. You're looking for zebra. You would see it's a green bar. Okay, so right here, and then we go straight down, and it says for the zebra, 40 miles per hour. So zebras can run 40 miles per hour. Do you think a lion can catch a zebra? It can, because lions can go 50 miles per hour. So if a lion is hunting a zebra, it can catch that zebra. So it can run faster than a horse, which is really amazing. I don't know if you knew that or not, but a zebra is a horse. It's just a kind of horse. All right, let's go to the next question. Number 11. How much faster is a Cape hunting dog than a grizzly bear? How much faster? So first of all, you got to think of what that math language means. It's telling you to do a certain operation. So pause it, think about it, and we'll come back and let you know. Okay, so now we're back. If you see the words how much faster, how much more, how many more, words like that, that means you need to do a subtraction problem. And they're comparing Cape hunting dog and grizzly bear. So let's find those numbers and then we'll do a subtraction problem. Cape hunting dog, that's the yellow. So let's find it. Let's go straight down. Okay, so that's halfway in between 40 and 50. So what would that be? Halfway in between 40 and 50, that would be 45, wouldn't it? Okay, the other animal that we were talking about is the grizzly bear. So the grizzly bear is the blue. Now we go straight down from that, and that's 30. Okay, so to find out how much faster, what operation did I say we would have to do? How much faster, how much more, that kind of language means subtraction. So you're going to do 45 minus 30. Go ahead and pause it and see if you can figure out 45 minus 30. Okay, so now we're back, and if you did your subtraction correct, your answer would be 15 miles per hour. That's how much faster a Cape hunting dog can run than a grizzly bear. So let's say a Cape hunting dog was trying to catch a grizzly bear. Could it catch the grizzly bear? Yes, it could. It can run 15 miles per hour faster. So this is an example as to how you read bar graphs, and we will come back to some more lessons like this in the future.